Hello rapid sale buyers, welcome to the sale for the estate of Nick Schouten. We have here a neighbor consignment, case 1490, two-wheel drive tractor. It operates, but we'll need a little bit of TLC. We'll start it up and let you take a look at it. It's got the front weights to it. Big strong tractor, 1490 case. You know, the rubber is checked on it. Dual remotes in the back. So anyways, Ed's going to just start it up. Just rev it up a bit, Ed. Okay, drive it forwards. So it does have a little hesitation there in the engine, so it might need a little bit of repair on it. Attention to it. But a big powerful tractor, get it operating. Handy set of horsepower for around the farm. Clutch appears good. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen, there's your case 1490. You heard it operate. As you can see, it's got a little bit of smoke on the exhaust, so it may need a little bit of engine detailing to be looked after, but otherwise you get that up and running. You've got some good strong horsepower, extra cheap horsepower. Why buy new when you can buy used? Enjoy your opportunity to purchase this case 1490 at the sale for Nick Schouten, consigned by local neighbor.